Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Alisha and together with my group members Aina, Amira and Anila will present our integrated design project, Envirosafe Handy Food Box. Every year, 500 billion of plastic were used globally. Since the plastic takes thousands of years to decompose, it pollutes the ocean and harms the marine life. So starting from the 2018, Malaysian government have imposed the direct ban on the single-use plastic. As an alternative, people use paper in the food packaging. However, high production of the paper from the wood pulp of the trees result to the deforestation and global warming. As a Khalifah, this is our responsibility to design an innovation that will save the future of nature. Therefore, our projects are aligned together with the 12 Sustainable Development Goals, which promote resource, provide green life, and reduce the pollution. Based on surveys, 60% of the respondents agree that the current paper food box is not safe for a long-time purpose. This is because it has high thermodifusivity, non-user-friendly design as well as non-waterproof. And these are the main reasons that made us to innovate the food box. So the objective of our project are to design the compostable thermal insulated food box, improve water barriers in sustainable materials, and to design it to be user-friendly. To support the planning of our project, plastic and paper food-based food boxes are used as a benchmark. Based on the problem statements and objectives, these are the main design specifications of our product. These are the properties of the raw materials and coating agents. Based on the performance index and figure of merit, the sugar-magus fiber and chitosan shows the highest ranking. From that, both are considered as the most suitable materials as their head fulfills all the product requirements. Here are some interesting facts about the sugar-magus fiber and chitosan. Both are natural products, non-toxic, has extensive resource, and the most important thing is they are approved by FDA.
This is our Envirosafe handy food box that has been designed using SolidWorks. These are the 3D view, top, side and front view of the food box. It is in a circular shaped box with a surface area of 1018 cm squared. This is because the circle has a bigger surface area compared to the rectangle. The bigger the surface area, the more stable the box will be. The volume of the box is equivalent to 1400 ml, then it can be considered as lightweight as its mass is 167.9 gram. Next, these are the dimensions of each component of the food box. Generally, the dimension of the food box is 18 cm of diameter, 5 cm height and 4 mm of thickness. To allow air circulation in the box, there are 2 ventilation holes on the sides. Besides, the cover is designed with a clip. The purpose is to ensure no spillage or leakage to happen. Then it also has a handle on top of the cover. This is to ease the user to carry it without feeling any heat. Our food box also allows users to separate various types of food in 3 compartments with different portions. And lastly, it also has a cutlery holder too, so users can attach the fork and spoon together with the food box.
Based on the design specification, the thermodifusivity of the food box must be low. The thickness of the food box calculated by using heat flux formula. As a result, the optimum thickness of the food box is 4 mm with the lowest rate of heat transfer. Next, to determine the time for the foods inside the box start to drop significantly, we consider transient heat transfer by using second Fick's law. As a result, the time for the temperature of interior food box start to drop is 28.92 seconds, which is longer than craft paper. From the simulation test of heat transfer by console, the graph shows the temperature of food inside the box decreased by time. As we can see, up to 4 hours, the food temperature are still warm as it is in between 30 to 40 degrees. Besides, the theoretical value and the simulation result differ with only 0.41%, means the theoretical value is acceptable.
Next, to determine the maximum stress that the box can withstand while being stretched or pulled before its fracture, our food box has high tensile strength. The formula used are maximum load and tensile strength. As a result, the maximum permissible load is 32,450 MPa. From that, the maximum tensile strength is 365,110 MPa. Moving on to the simulation part by using COMSOL, after computing the data, these figures show the contour distribution of stress with maximum and minimum value. Based on the stress strain curve, it shows the ultimate tensile strength. If the stress applied exceeds this point, the foot box will fracture.
Our Envirosafe handy foot box has a high water barrier. Since sugarcane bagasse has a high moisture content up to 50%, therefore it must be coated with a coating film. Hence, formulas of water vapor transmission rate (WVTR) and water vapor permeability (WVP) have been applied. As a result, the value of WVTR is 27.47 gram per day meter square and WVP is 4.8 gram millimeter per day meter square Pascal. Based on the simulation test on COMSOL, the water barrier of the footbox of sugarcane bagasse coated with glycosan film increases gradually by time from 3 gram per meter square up to 4.8 gram per meter square. Since both results are similar, it indicates that simulation is working and the theoretical value can be acceptable.
Our Envirosafe handy food box is a perfect container that can keep all types of food. Our product also suitable for the diet people. This is because the 3 sections of the box will help them to control the portion size of the foods. Also, it is very convenient, especially for the travelers, as they can keep their food fresh, safe and ready to eat. In order to predict the quantity, cost and the price of the resource which required in this project, the cost of the product has been analysed by considering several factors such as cost of raw materials, salary labor, factory overhead and operating costs. From that, the cost per unit of our food box is RM1.25. By comparing the selling price of Envirosafe handy food box with the existing product at the market, it shows that our product is cheaper and more affordable. So, to offer a good quality product in the market, we covered 3 main components of the overall marketing strategy, which involves customers, products and markets. Our main targets as the potential buyers are food and beverage companies and food entrepreneurs. However, the target is not specific as our products were designed to be for everyone. We also identified that Optech Professional and Perniagaan Wakim Syndrome had a potential to be our business partner as both are local suppliers that sell food packaging products. To determine the market value of the product, we conduct a survey. From that, 65.9% of the total respondents are willing to buy our product and the rest are still in doubt whether to buy it or not. So, to further convince the customers to buy our product, it must get unification of eco-labels from the CIRIM. Then, it is important to do the regular checkup on the product quality before it reaches to the customers. If possible, try to get the testimonials from them. We also approach the customers transparently and optimistically. Besides that, we will do the promotion through the online platform and social media. One of the best things that we can do is to deliver the message by a single call to action. Last but not least, we will offer them the lowest price at the market. So, everyone, let's work together to protect and save our Earth. Remember, sustainability is no longer about doing less harm, but it is about doing more good. That's all from us. Thank you.